When it comes to useful apps, you can consider Gmail as one. It's one of the best alternative email platforms to the stock mail app on your iPhone. However, it seems like some iPhone XR owners have started having issues with it shortly after the iOS 13 update. Hey guys, Harold here from thecellguy.com, and in this video, I will be showing you what to do if Gmail keeps crashing on your iPhone XR. First solution, close Gmail and reopen it. Most of the time, app crashes are minor app issues. They occur every now and then, but they're not necessarily hard to fix. In fact, closing the app in question and reopening it might fix the issue. So here's what you need to do. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and stop at the middle. This will show you the app previews. Now, swipe up on the Gmail preview to close it. Do the same to other apps. After this, try opening Gmail and see if it still crashes. Second solution, uninstall Gmail and reinstall it. Another effective solution to this problem is uninstalling the app in question. Doing so will remove all its associations with the firmware and other apps. After that, reinstall the app to make sure you have the latest version. Here's how you do those things. Go to the screen where the Gmail icon is located. Tap and hold on its icon until options show. Tap Delete App to uninstall the app. Tap Delete to confirm the deletion of the app. Go back to the home screen. Launch the App Store. Search for Gmail, and then tap the install icon. Wait for the app to be successfully installed on your iPhone. When the installation is finished, tap Open to launch it. Most of the time, these are the only things you need to do to fix an app that keeps on crashing. However, if for some reason the problem continues, then you have to do the next solution. Third solution, factory reset your iPhone. A reset will be able to fix this problem, but make sure to create a backup of your important files and data because they will be deleted and you may not be able to retrieve them. When ready, follow these steps. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed. Now enter your Apple ID password, and then tap Erase to proceed with the reset. Wait until your iPhone has finished the reset, and then set it up as a new device. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.